All right, to replace the stock background, I'm going to show you how to do that with Car Web Guru. But let's just say if you have a vehicle or an emblem here that you don't want, okay, you can literally download and or create your own and then replace it. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. It's pretty easy. You can either use a USB drive, or you can simply send yourself an email, or if you want to download it, it's all up to you. I had already sent myself an email, so when I go in, I'm just going to go ahead and I've already downloaded that. So I'm going to go into my file manager. Should be under downloads. And as an example, I can use this. Now, this says gray. You can use either one, but just for argument's sake, it has to say zxwlogo and .png. If it says anything else, it's not going to recognize it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, then I'm going to go ahead and share, save to, and then that's it. You don't need to go into anything else, just save to. Select, and done. Now the next time that you reboot your system, which we'll do right now, it'll change that. It's pretty cool. Mine accidentally got deleted when I had reset the entire unit, and because I had a USB drive, it put some of that and some of the functionality on the USB drive, and I don't quite know how to fix everything, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is. It's really not difficult. And there it is. Now, that's a bit too big, but it just gives you an example, all right? Now, I'm going to replace that. The original one that I had, so you just go into File, Manager. See, it's not in any folder, so when you do that, you're just putting it under, but it has to say zxwlogo ping. I'm going to actually delete that. I made that one up. It doesn't look good. I'll have to change it. Now, my old one, the original one that came with the Infiniti, says main logo ping. All right, that's not going to work either. But I still need to get this file. That's the original one. Came over, so I need to get back on there. So share, save to LAN, and again, you don't need to go in a folder. Just select. Now, it's not going to be in the right file format. So I'm going to go back to File Manager. It says main logo. That will disappear when I restart. At least it should anyway, I hope. Oh, that's on the USB drive. I don't want to do that. Whew. There we go. All right, so I need to change this. So you just hold it down, and it'll let you change the name. I believe it's going to be ZXW. ZXW, oops, take out that cap just in case. ZXW logo .png. Okay. Now when I restart it, it should show that again. I like going into the settings and just doing it like that instead of using the pin. User settings, save and reboot. As long as you don't change anything, you're not going to have an issue with that. And voila, the original one's back. Okay, pretty easy. All right, and that's for that video.